Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your username on Offerup account. To change your Offerup's username, the first thing you will need to do is to log into your Offerup.com account. So here's how you can do it. First of all, open a web browser and type in Offerup.com in the URL box. Make sure that you're signed into your Offerup account by entering your login credentials. Once you're logged in, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile picture. Now select Account Settings menu. From your Account Settings tab, scroll down and click on Edit right next to your name. Now enter a new name you would like to change to, and once you do that, click on Save. And within a second, you will be able to change your name on Offerup. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.